Morning. So when we filmed the video, I've got dots on my glasses, doing the last video, the colors, the Harley Davidson colors, we ran into a lot of people that came up to us and talked and, you know, just said how they liked the channel and blah blah blah, enjoyed the videos, and we love that. That was awesome. It was great. It was awesome meeting you guys. But the number one question I was asked: did you get your wife's bike back together yet? Nope. No, I haven't. We have not got the tins back yet from paint. They are supposed to be back this week. I called him last week towards the end of the week and was talking to him, and he said, yeah, they're all prepped and ready to be painted. He was going to shoot them either Friday or Monday, wasn't sure which day, and then we could pick them up by the end of the week. So the end of this week we should have the tins back for this. So next weekend we'll probably do a video assembling this bike. As far, another question was the bike build. Still together, not all the way torn apart. I can't show you guys a lot of this bike build because of the fact that it gets unveiled in August at Owasso Vintage Days. And again, it's the surprise thing. It's the surprise factor that you got to have. So I'm going to just kind of do a quick video, just a shop talk type video while I'm working on my project bike. But you're going to be mounted like right here, I'm thinking, so you're not seeing what I'm doing. Or, you know, something like that, along that lines, I'm thinking. You know, because it's a secret. And there's going to be, like, throughout the summer, I'm going to be doing videos like crazy. So you will catch glimpses here and there. If I'm in this garage, you know, I might walk by and kind of do the, you know, something like that, and you might catch a glimpse of what's going on there. But you got to be, you know what I'm saying? I just ordered a plasma cutter for the, you know, for the barn, or for the house here, so yeah, the wife don't know. I'm not gonna lie, the further and further I get into this bike, I'm kind of wishing I never would have bought it. And mechanically it seems to be a sound bike. Frame wise, can't find anything. It's electrical. It's becoming an electrical nightmare, and let me show you why. Because this, see this wire nut? This is not what you do on a motorcycle. You know, this stuff, yeah. You don't do that on a motorcycle. You don't do that on vehicles. You don't do that on boats. You just don't do that. Wire nuts belong in a house in an electrical receptacle. Just saying. I've been on the phone quite a bit today. Just visiting with family, things like that. It's been nice. I've been very appreciative of it and talking to family. But it's kind of slowed me down on the whole working on the bike thing. But I was able to get the battery out, the battery box out, kind of clean up the electrical. I still have a lot of electrical I have to deal with, but it's good electrical at this point versus just random wires for a radio and LED lights or whatever. Just spooling around. This is actual lights or wires that I need for the operation of the motorcycle. I do have a few things I want to clean up on this and grind off, like the brackets for the rear pegs. I don't ever plan on having a passenger on the back of this bike, so I'm gonna cut the rear pegs off and grind those off smooth, so that is not noticeable. There's a lot of little things like that. There's some brackets that are welded on the side of the frame for side covers and things like that. And those side covers, I'm getting rid of those side covers, so I want to get those brackets off the frame. That way it's not so unsightly. And so I'm going to work on that. I do need to run and grab some steel for the floorboards. I kind of came up with an idea for floorboards to incorporate a bit of the farm. So yeah, well, that's about all I'm giving you. So we're going to do that. You know, things like that. So I honestly think I'm going to run to the store now while what I need is fresh in my head. Alright, I need to take a part to the farm. So I think I'm going to finish this particular part tomorrow. This is the part I need to finish tomorrow. I need to drill holes in this, because that part is going to take this part's place. At any rate, yeah. So I got that welded and ground. I'm trying to figure out how I'm making floorboards for this thing, and I'm trying to decide what pitch, I guess, I want the floorboards at, because I'm not going to make them adjustable. They're going to be where they're at once I figure out where I want the floorboards. So I got to do that, and that's going to be tough because the new seat and the new tank and where the suicide shifters, it's going to be, you get it. I could start fabbing up the battery box. I have a chunk of 16 gauge right here that I can make the battery box out of, and I think I'm going to do that next. I'm actually hoping this gets done quick, because look, there's a crap load of dust on this thing, and I want to get it back together and get it out of here, because grinding and welding and things like that create a lot of, sparks and dust and metal shavings and fines. That's what I'm trying to say. Creates a lot of fines. Alright, let's get this battery box going. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. The boss lady come out cracking the whip on me. More carrots! No, less carrot, more mule. More mule, less carrot, however that saying goes. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end the video here. She's complaining about the dust on her motorcycle. Maybe I should have put a sheet over it or something. But, you know, I gotta give her something to complain about. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.